scratch with my mama and my dad.
It's okay, girl. We still friends.
It's okay.
It's gonna be alright. I'm here for you.
Where's your dad?
He's outside working on the car.
Really?
Yes.
He's a mechanic?
Yeah, he's been doing it for several years now.
Your mom don't have to worry about nothing because your dad is a mechanic.
Yeah.
Shh, I'm gonna go check on him in the window.
I bet he out there.
He's out there.
I told you.
We can have a lot of more fun. But guess what? It's getting boring. Let's play Miss Sue. Miss Sue! Miss Sue! Miss Sue from Alabama! Boom! Where's your mom?
She's at work.
Girl, you glad that your mom and your daddy not separated.
What's the matter? I don't want to talk about it because my dad and my mom separated.
Oh, it's okay.
Let me tell y'all something. Girl, I know my dad keeps his gun.
No, don't do that.
No, be quiet or my dad gonna come down here.
No.
I finna go get it.
Oh my God, no.
Yeah.
No, you don't supposed to play with guns, Sanaya.
It's not
loaded. No.
It's not loaded.
No.
His outside, she being a scary cat.
It's heavy. Somebody help me. Tanaya. Somebody help me. Tanaya, can you, somebody help me call 911. Tanaya, somebody call 911. Tanaya, wake up. Tanaya, wake up. Tanaya, wake up. I told y'all stop playing with firearms. Stop, Tanaya, wake up. Tanaya, wake up.
How many more of our children will we lose to gun violence? Parents, practice gun safety. Project Child Safe. Kids, do not play with guns. This message and video has been brought to you by Supa Peach and 5 Star Entertainment. Warning all kids, do not play with guns. I repeat, do not play with guns.